Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Starting a YouTube journey can feel like a massive undertaking, but the hardest part is simply hitting record for the first time. Today I'm breaking down the wall between thinking about it and doing it. I put together 10 essential tips to help you launch with confidence, plus 10 questions to help you find your voice. Whether you're here to share a passion, build a business, or just document your life, let's get your channel off the ground the right way. 10 essential tips for starting a YouTube channel. Start with what you have. Don't wait for a 4K camera. Your smartphone and natural sunlight are more than enough to get your first 20 videos done. Number two, focus on the first 30 seconds. Viewer retention is everything. Hook your audience immediately by telling them exactly what value they'll get from the video. Consistency over intensity. It's better to upload once a week for a year than every day for 2 weeks and then burn out. Master the big three. Number four, your title, thumbnail, and hook are the most important elements. If the thumbnail doesn't get the click, the video doesn't get the view. Niche down early. Number five, it's easier to grow when you solve a specific problem or entertain a specific group. Example, budget travel in Europe versus just travel. Number six, reply to every comment. In the beginning, your early viewers are your most important advocates. Build a community, not just a view count. Number seven, SEO is your friend. Use tools to find what people are searching for. Use those keywords naturally in your title and the first two lines of your description. Number eight, don't over edit. Clear audio and decent lighting matter more than fancy transitions. If people can't hear you clearly, they will leave. Number nine, look at the lens. It's tempting to look at yourself on screen, but looking directly into the camera lens creates eye contact with your viewer. Number 10, study your analytics. After 10 videos, look at your YouTube studio. See where people drop off and try to fix that specific moment in your next video. All right, guys, now we're gonna do a few questions. So this should take about the rest of the video to answer these questions for you. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability, okay? So 10 questions to answer for this video. So these questions are designed to fill by encouraging deep storytelling and clear how-to advice. So number one question is the why. What is the core mission of this channel and why does this topic matter to you personally? Okay, so to answer that why question, why I started YouTube in 2014, my journey began when my first video launched and I said I want to talk about signs like that are shown in the sun and the moon. So pretty much lunar eclipse, okay, because it was a big subject in 2014. Blood moon was something that was happening at the time, and so I wanted to make a video on YouTube, and that was my first YouTube journey in 2014, and so I made that video. I think it's still on YouTube, but that video set me on a series of events, and yeah, and here I am today, 2026, still at it. So that's my journey in and my why. Okay. Number two question is, if you could sit down with one person and help them with your content, who are they and what are they struggling with? Okay, so this is a question about my target audience. The one person that I would help with my content would be somebody like who was like starting out in their faith, in Christianity, and they were like me, before I started YouTube. Had no children, or just starting to have a family. Basically, they're new to family building, and they just want like some help